Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to use voice typing on Google Docs. First open your Google Chrome browser or any other browser and log in your Gmail account. Then go to search bar and type Google Docs. Then visit first link. After that create a document. If you have a document, then click on it, or otherwise create a blank document. Now I am creating a blank document. Then my Google Workspace is open. After that we need to voice typing. Then click on tools and click on voice typing, or press keyboard on Ctrl Shift S. Now you can see my voice typing is open, pop-up is open. You can drag it, then click on it and speak. Then click on allow. How? Now you can see what I speak that converted to text. Thank you.